Here are a few quick steps to learn how to share screen on Discord. Click on the Home button from the top. First, click on the Friends option on the left side of your Discord screen. Click on the friend you want to share your screen. You would see a call icon on the top left corner. Click it. A call interference is going to open up. Now, what you need to do is click on the Turn on Screen Share option, that is the monitor icon on the left. After you have clicked on the Share Screen option, a screen share window will appear in the middle of your screen. You would see an option of Entire Screen under that window. Click it and then click Share.
If this was useful, please thumbs up, share and subscribe, as this will help me a lot. Thank you, bye bye.